Hey, what's going on today? Well, what are you doing? Oh, just gonna see if we can put some cruise control on this 2006 Toyota Corolla. Corolla? No. Corolla! Manual flavor. So what I'm gonna do is pull this off. I already have a little arm dealio. I have another video that I did it in a Yaris 06, so I had to run a wire actually into the ECU. So this one, not sure. I don't think you have to. I think this one's plug and play. I did an automagical, and it didn't have that. So I'm thinking that this might be the same deal. Anyway, pull this off. I'm going to pull the airbag off and then get the little thingy in there. Oh yeah, if you're wondering, those are Torx. Oh, that zoom's horrible. T30. Okay, so now I pulled this part out. This is this here. And then this one. So yeah, I got this from the wrecker. Don't buy it online because it's like 250 bucks. Go to the wrecker, pick and pull, pick apart whatever you got around you. And then go pull one out. And then you drill a hole. I gotta do that yet. Right there! And then that just goes right in there nice. And then we'll see if we got the zooms in the cruises. So for the drilling part, I'm just gonna wing it. Probably like, I don't know, right about there maybe? Oh, it's coming. Oh yeah. Come on, baby, push. Push for me, push. All right, she's all fitted in there. Got a nice gaping hole there, which is fine. So now I just got to get the screws in there to mount her. And then, yeah, we'll give her a whirly whirl. Alright, she's all mounted in there now. So, if you don't have two of the screws that come with, I don't know if you can see this very well. I should zoom in. I used a Robbie there, and then we got our horrible friend beside him there, Philip. But, yeah, a little self-tapper work in there. I had the other screw from it, but it got missing. Okay, let's throw this back on, and then we're going to give her. Okay, we'll hook up the battery. Yeah, and hook the battery. Sometimes some people say these go poof, but I don't know. Just habit, I guess. Okay, okay, we're going to press the cruise button. Boom, bada bang. There we go. So, 06 Corolla. I got to go for a drive, make sure it works. I might have screwed up the clock spring when I was trying to ram that through there. I hope not, but I'm going to go for a drive and make sure it does work. But light comes on. So with this, with the Corollas, I think it's as easy as just doing that. I know with my Yaris, I had to run a wire from underneath to the ECU and then put in a plunger for the clutch. I didn't do that though. I just closed the loop underneath. But anyway, yeah, go check out that video if you got a Toyota Yaris. The automatics are obviously just pretty much plug and play. There's a grr putting that arm in and going for a drive. I did not have cruise. So, to further investigation, with the manual transmission, there's going to be a plunger, and the plunger is going to tell the ECU, hey, I'm off or on. So you have to add that in exactly like you would have to add in the arm. I did have to do that. Well, you're supposed to do that I did in my Yaris as well. Anyway, this plug, hang on here. See, there's only one plunger here, and that's obviously when you press that, you can start the vehicle. Now, if this came factory with cruise, there's another spot, I believe. I'm assuming maybe right here would be the other one. Plunger would go in behind here, where this rubber cap is. And you should do this, because then that way you're not going to rev crazy high if you hit the clutch first. Anyway, there's this here. So what I'm going to do is I'm assuming this is a wire for the plunger that you would put in. So if I close the circuit to this, we should get, all right, that is in there like so. Just looped. Let's go for burn. Oh, we're sideways. There we go. She's working. So that's what that was. Perfect. Right on. Little upgrade. Nothing wrong with that.